SIDRA Chain just introduced a trust system called Vouch. This feature helps prove you are real users and can strengthen your account credibility on the network. And this is how it works. You have to open the trust session. If you come over to your Sidra app, you are going to see this trust session. You open it, and once you open your trust session, you enter the email of someone you trust, send the invite. Once accepted, your trust network starts growing. So whether you have done your KYC or not, you can still use this trust score to increase your credibility and to strengthen the ecosystem. So let's quickly tap on this trust. Vouch for people you know. Mutual vouch reduce false positive flags during mining. So once you are able to use this trust mining session, it will also help you to mine faster, and it will prevent bad or positive review about your account. So go and do this, and you have the trust score to do it. And they said here, invite a voucher, enter the email of someone who can vouch you and a real person. They will see the request on their own account. Limit 15 outgoing invites at a time. So the limit you can do this every day is 15 times. And that 15 times is going to give you 90 score. So 90 trust score every day. Every 24 hours we are going to do. So let's quickly do this together. I'm going to my WhatsApp group to look for email, and I'm going to use it to do this. So coming over to my email, I have many people has actually dropped their email address. Let me look for someone that is active so that I can use his or her own. Are you active? Let's interact. Are you active? So I have copied the email from my group. So I'm going to paste the email here. So I will now click on this send. Once you click on send, you wait for it. Can you see? Okay, pending. I need to accept. Let me click on accept. I think the person I just reached out. So you have to tap on accept. Can you see? I have gotten 18 trust score now. Incoming is 1. I gave the person my email and I use his own email. You saw when I click on accept. Once you accept it, automatically you are going to receive the trust score. And the minimum outgoing, the minimum you can send to someone is 15. And that 15 is giving you 90 trust score every day. So do this to strengthen your account and to show that you are real human and not both. Whether you have done your KYC or not, make sure you participate on this every day to increase your human credibility. And if you don't know where you can actually get email, you can join our WhatsApp group. People are actually dropping. So you can join our WhatsApp group. This is Jenny's Crypto Class. You can join our WhatsApp group so that you can actually get email from other users to be able to increase your trust score. So this is Sidra latest update. Go and do this right away. So I have gotten another email as well. I need to accept this one. Can you see? I have 46 now, incoming 2, mutual 2, outgoing 2. So this is what you need to do every day to get this. Like I say, just join our WhatsApp group and you're getting the email you can use to do this. Please, once you send your email, make sure that you accept it. And make sure that the person that you're using his or her email is active so that the person can also accept you. You accept your own so that you can receive the trust score. And for some users who are always saying Sidra does not give official updates on their S account, it mustn't come from Sidra S account. Sidra has their team where they give update. They hardly update us from their main Sidra account. So this particular person is among the Sidra team that always give update concerning Sidra, because a lot of people will now reach us. It is not official. Are you sure this is legit? I did not see it in the Sidra app. It is official. Go and do this. There is nothing to worry, but make sure that you did not disclose your password to anybody. Nobody has access to your password. All they need is just that email. Once you click on the give them your email, you accept and you are good to go. Nobody is going to hack your account. For those people that will not say, I will not do this, so it is not legit, it is this and that. This is Sidra team that gave this update 3 hours ago. So he said Type T2 brings a major upgrade, account alignment with the system's next-gen architecture, key highlights, external wallet support, MetaMask and self-custody, Type 2 transaction, that is EIP 1559, enhance account verification, prepares for the mainnet and boost security. Now the next step is verify KYC, link your wallet, confirm Type T2 activation, secure private key. And he said Type T2 stronger security, full control and readiness for the future. So it is official. Whether you saw this update from the Sidra account or not, this is official. Go and do this. So that is it for this video. Tell me if you have activated your trust score or are you still contemplating. Tell me in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.